Good. Good job. Take your time. Remember to stay out on your turn. Good. Stay out. And then remember to lower and release. Good job. You remembered. Very good. Good. Don't fall to the right. Stay out through your turn. Good job. Good. Keep the energy. Remember to lower and release. Perfect. Perfect. And all you're doing is staying balanced, and you're going to lower and release. Perfect.